here at the Hutchinson Island Beach Resort by Marriott, and we're staying 4 nighs here. And I'm going to show you the room. Basically what we did was we ordered a poolside room in the main property over in the entrance. This is a very, very big property. There's a lot of separate buildings, and there's a golf resort, tennis resort, and stuff. But because I'm a platinum member with Marriott, we got upgraded for a possible upgrade. They let you know what we'd be heading. And we did. We got the ocean view. We got a two queen studio suite ocean view. There's a problem with the room, so they upgraded us even more to the room next door, which is a studio king of a pull-out couch. So we're gonna go check that out right now. Beautiful view of the ocean with a balcony, and I'll tell you how it is. So follow me around. So this is the room we originally had. Now this is a 2-queen suite here, an ocean view in the Sandpiper building. But last night the air conditioner broke. So Marriott was nice enough to help us out, put us in the room next door, which is a little bit bigger. It has a living room, it's a king-size bed, pull-out couch. So let's take a look at the 2-queen bedroom first, and then we'll bring you over to the other side. Here we go. This room was great because it had 2 bedrooms, which was 2 beds where we needed, and the suite kitchen area so we could cook and have an air conditioner, refrigerator, and dishwasher and stuff like that. But it's not working, so we're gonna go to the room next door. So let's go check that out. Bananas? Let's go check out the pool in the beach area. that's the tour of the 1-bedroom king studio suite with an ocean view. You have to mind the mess of it. We had to bring all this stuff over from the room next door over, and everything's kind of disorganized. So try to pretend to envision it without the kids' clothes and toys sprawled everywhere. Now the great thing about the sandpiper where we're at is obviously you have ocean access right there. You have an ocean view. You have your own pool, you have a hot tub, and you have a little tiki bar over there that's open from 9 to 5 during the day, which is perfect time when you're at the beach or you're at the pool. You also have a rental building over there where you can rent chairs, umbrellas, and stuff for the beach like that. And that's where you get your towels and whatnot. The sun's starting to move a little bit here. There's a complimentary shuttle from the main building, which is on the main road over there, back and forth. That's where it's a place called Latitudes. That's where you get your breakfast. They're open until 10 p.m. It's a little tiki bar over there. Minimal menu. The one thing that this place kind of lacks a little bit is some of the like restaurants and stuff and bars. It would be nice if there was like a later bar that was open, or something that was more centralized or anything like that. But other than that, it's kind of really quiet and kind of, it's really peaceful and relaxed. So that's what you're going for. This is perfect for you. If you're more of like a nightlife, you need stuff going on constantly, 24 hours. Probably not the best place for you. This is more like there's a lot of families here, a lot of older people here, a lot of young couples here. It's just people just want to relax and chill and enjoy it. So, like I said, we originally booked the 4 nights at the pool view in the main building, and I used 4 of my comps, one for each night for an upgrade, a couple inch upgrade, which got us to 2 queen size studio ocean view. And then, because of the situation, we got the 1-bedroom king studio suite ocean view. So, altogether, with tax, it was about $12.50 for 4 nights. We are in peak season. It is March, spring break, so take that into consideration. Probably get a cheaper rate in the summertime. Although there's a golf course on site that ADUs, tennis courts, like I said. So there's a lot of amenities here that we haven't even touched upon, but a lot of people do. One thing to keep in mind at the Sandpiper, this is also where the people who live in the community, who aren't staying at the hotel but have a member of the beach club, will use this pool and use the beach. So it could get a little crowded on the weekends and stuff like that. We hadn't come into any situation. We were out there yesterday, it was a Sunday, and today on a Monday. On both days, it filled up pretty well. We didn't have a problem finding a seat or anything like that. But, just keep that in mind. You want to get down there a little earlier and kind of claim your spot. There you go, we're at the Sandpiper here at the Hutchinson Island Beach Resort by Marriott, and we really enjoyed it. I would say this is definitely some place I would suggest you go and check out if you're looking just to relax for a few days, looking over the Atlantic Ocean on the east coast of Florida, here in Stuart, Florida. Probably should have said it at the beginning, Stuart, Florida. There we go. See you guys later. Enjoy, leave your comments below, let us know what you think. Like this also, helps the algorithm, of course. And any questions or anything, feel free to email us and do all that stuff. See you guys later. Bye.